everyone, welcome to growercoach.com. Ken Salville here today, and we're talking about what makes this plant so great. And one of my favorite plants in the garden is the Sedum Autumn Joy. Sedum Autumn Joy is just such a cool plant. You can see this big one here that we've had for quite a few years. It's looking great. We're at the end of its real strong blooming season. We can still see some pink in it, but this is about as full as it gets and as late as you get some color on these. But you know, it's such a cool plant because it's totally drought tolerant. It's very tough. Starts blooming around the end of typically around the end of August it's going, and I mean that's when it really gets the color up. It actually shows like the buds all over it through the month of August, and so it's still an attractive plant even when it's not blooming. But then when it's done, it just keeps on coloring up. It actually it'll turn quite brown in the wintertime. The leaves will fall off and you can leave these dead flowers on. It looks like a giant pine cone in the garden, which to me is fine. I like to see a little texture in the garden. I also like to see you know, something for the snow to set on, and it is pretty cool plant even in the wintertime, so I don't mind letting it go through the winter months. And easy to cut back. At that time you just chop the thing off whenever you feel like you're done with it and it's finished its thing, especially if it collapses, right? Then at that point you just chop it right off. Next year pushes up just beautiful in the spring. So super easy plant to grow, you know, and it really goes well with Aster fricardii, the Frickart's aster, and I happen to have a little bouquet of them right here that I've cut, and these two plants are really nice to plant side by side, so it's a real good combination. So that's it for today. Thanks again for tuning in to growercoach.com.